Hi, good morning all. Thank you so much for joining today's exclusive webinar. My name is Ashish and she's my colleague Arzu. And today we will be taking you through your first investment journey with HDFC Securities.
Good morning. I would like to welcome all our investors, those who have opened an account with HDFC Securities. As an investor, after opening this account, sir, I would like to ask one basic question. Like, I have funds, so what to buy and where shall I invest my money? Is there any platform for it?
Sure, that's a valid question that any customer would have in their mind after opening the account, right? So let me tell you, we have our mobile application wherein investors can start their investment and make their portfolio. Okay. First, let me tell you what are few quick basic advantages of this mobile application, and then I will also show you how to use the application and how to make your transactions over there, right? Now first, the most important thing in mobile application is it gives faster login because we have introduced a feature called mpin. Okay, now normally in order to log in into your trading and demat account you need to enter your username, your password and your date of birth, right? But in mobile application we have launched a mpin wherein you have to register and set it for the first time. Okay, and every day first login will be your full login with your username, password and date of birth, and the subsequent logins will be only username and mpin, a 4-digit mpin, right? And the next thing is that with this mobile application you have all the information on the go because we put lot of important updates through notification. So if you have this mobile application you get the notification and you are updated on the go wherever you are, right? You can access this anytime anywhere irrespective of limitation. Like normally when we work, when we are in our office, we don't have access to those websites, we don't have access to check our details, right, to log in. But through mobile application you can access your portfolio, you can do your transactions seamlessly anytime anywhere, right? And plus we give personalized recommendation also, right? As you said that what to buy, so for that, Arzu, let me inform to all our investors that we have a dedicated research team who provides various research on a timely basis. So on the real-time basis, as and when the calls are released, we give a push notification to our investors, right? And not only what to buy, but also when to sell. So the moment our picks achieve their target, we send a push notification that first target achieved, generating so and so returns. So investor can get the information real time, and all they have to do is just execute that and book the profit, right? Plus now we have made it very simple and clutter free. Okay, so it is not that complicated. The buy panel, the sell panel, the transaction panel looks very simple and clutter free, or I can say the best for the beginner, right? Plus it saves also a lot of time if you actually calculate on a macro level, because in our mobile application all the transactions that you gonna place will not be more than 3 to 4 clicks, right? So these are certain key advantages that you get if you use our mobile application. In fact, Arzu, I would just like to share my personal experience with you that just a few days back, I met with one of my customer at the airport, and the moment he came to know that I am from HDFC Securities, he told me, "Boss, your mobile application helped me make money
Like how?
when I wanted." I just asked him like, "How, sir?" So he said, "Actually, I had applied in that IPO, okay, and on the listing day, the price was at a very good level, and I wanted to execute that transaction. I was in the airport, I was having a mobile application, I just placed my sell order and I booked my profit." And unlike his friend who wanted to do the same, but he was not having the mobile application with him, and he missed out to gain few bucks, right? So that is how it is. Now I will definitely tell you how this our mobile application gonna look like. Okay, so prior to that, let me tell you, if you are using iOS, you can go to App Store. If you are using Android, you can go to Play Store and just type in HDFC Securities mobile trading app. Okay, and you can install. More than 5 lakh users are already using it and getting benefited. Please, I request all of you, you can also download and get benefited out of it. All right, now first time when you install this application and you open it, okay, it will give you a verification page wherein you need to enter your registered mobile number. You will receive one OTP, and once you have received the OTP and the OTP validation is successful, then you will get access to our mobile application. Okay, Now let me show you how does this mobile application looks and what are the specific features available for you. So now I will show you how this mobile screen application looks like. Okay, so this is how the application will look on your home screen. You just need to click on it. Okay, now this is your pre-login page wherein you get the markets update. Okay, how the markets are performing, what are the top gainers, top losers, and most active stock in the respective exchanges. Here on the extreme top right corner, you can see the login option, right? You just click on login tab. Okay, now it is asking you to enter username, password, and date of birth. Okay, username, if the recent accounts that we have been opening for our customers, we have kept username as your bank customer ID, so easy to remember, right? Password, if you remember, you can put. If you forgot your password, you can just click on forgot password option. It will take you to a new web page. Just follow the instructions. Okay, it will be validated through your net banking, and post that you can generate your new password. Right, and same, even in case if you have forgotten your username, you can just click on forgot username. It will again take you to a new web page. Follow the instructions, the details that it is asking you to enter, and you can retrieve your username as well, right? And here you can see this set mpin option is there. So for the first time, you just need to enter this, you have to set this mpin, and your subsequent logins will then be followed by the mpin itself, right? So now I will quickly log into the application and show you. Now the moment you log into this application, this is how the login page looks like, right? Again, here you can see the markets today page. All right, you can see the top gainers and losers and the most active stocks. All right, now Arzu, I guess you was asking what to buy, right?
Yes.
So as I said earlier also, that we have our dedicated research team to give a research recommendation, which you can find in logged in section. You have to click on this more option. Okay, the moment you click on more option, from the top, the fourth option is research. So you click on research. So research on equity, derivatives, mutual funds, all is available here. So for now we are taking equity, so you just need to click on equity, and here you can find on the extreme top the various recommendations that we give, the calls that we give, like fundamental calls, trading calls, right, technical picks. So all these are displayed over here. However, I would also like to inform you, pick of the week, one of the interesting concept that we have come up with. Every Monday we come up with pick of the week. Okay, it is having an amazing success ratio as well. So you can see pick of the week every Monday here in this section. Before market opens, you get the information.
Okay. So every Monday, how will I come to know about this notification? Do I need to subscribe for it?
No, absolutely not. You just have to install this mobile application. If you have the mobile application, every Monday morning before market hours, between 8:45 to 9:10, 9:05, you get the push notification of our pick of the week, right?
Okay.
And this will show you, like last week we have come up with Bajaj Auto. Okay, you can see the price date, you can see what is the current upside. 19.20% is current upside, and you can see the time horizon is 4 quarter, right? Now the moment you click on buy, if you want to go for it, if you want some further details, you can click on details. Okay, if you want to click on buy, this is how clutter free, simple and easy to use buy panel opens, right? Now since you have selected buy from research, right, so the stock details, stock name and the exchange and the action is already pre-filled. It is auto populated. All I need to do is just I need to ensure whether I'm going to make a limit order or a market order. So let me tell you what is limit order and a market order. Right now you can see, anyways, the markets are closed right now, but generally if you see whatever is the last trading price, right, that would be the current trading price. So in this scenario, if we consider 2810.30 paise, so if I select this order as a market, this order will execute on the same price, whatever would be the current market price. Okay, but if I think I don't want to buy it at this price, I am going to buy this, I want to buy this at 2810 only, I don't want to pay that additional 30 paisa. So then I can put a limit order and I can set my price, and post that I just need to enter the quantity and buy. That's it. So just in few clicks your order is done, right? And the moment order gets executed, send you the SMS. So you receive SMS that your order has been successfully executed. All right. Same way, in case if you want to sell anything, okay, you can also go, you can see this option of trade here. Okay, you can select, this is the trade option. From here also you can buy any of the stocks that you wish to, but for that you need to enter the script details. Say for example, I am looking for HDFC Bank. I need to enter these details. I need to select my action, whether it's a buy or it's going to be sell. Okay, I need to select the exchange, product as cash, order type, what I'm looking out for, limit or a market, enter the quantity, price and place order. That's it. Your order is successfully placed, right? And where can you, the next thing would be where can you track your orders? So for that we have a trade book and the order book. Let me show you. So the second option, you can see trading from more. You just have to click here. You can see the third option as order book. So all the orders that are placed during the day, you can see here. And the orders which are executed, you can see in the trade book here, right?
Okay. Okay, suppose there are many investors, those who are having multiple stock in their portfolio, but they want to track few of them. So is there any mechanism for it?
That's a good question, Arzu. Definitely, I can understand. We want to track few stocks. So for that, we have a watch list functionality. Okay, here is the watch list. You can see in the bottom, right? You can just click on watch list. And the best part is that now with the recent update, this watch list access we have given even in the pre-logged in section. So if you just want to track your watch list, no need to log in only for tracking. You can see that even in the pre-login section. Just you open the mobile application and you click on your watch list, which is it would be placed here, and you can seamlessly track your stocks, right? So here you can add. Now let me tell you how to add. Okay, so for example, if you are looking for say HDFC Bank itself, right? The moment, now since I have opened this get code page, which you can get it from search option here. When you click on the extreme right top this search option, it will ask you whether you're looking for equity, mutual fund. If it is equity, whether you're looking for equity, futures and options. Very simplified product specific bifurcation we have given here, right? So you here will enter your script name, whatever will be your recent searches, you can see this here, right? So once you click on the script name, this is the company snapshot. I would say this, our mobile application is a small package which gives complete information what one investor would like to know, right? So it's a power pack, I would say, right? So this is the company snapshot. Here you can see what are their prices. You can see the overview, okay, which shows your intraday chart, how the stock have been moved throughout the day, okay, how much was the volume, their prices, their 52-week high, 52-week low, and some information about the earning per share, market capitalization, all these details. From here, you can see the market depth, the best buy and best sell, bid and ask. You can see available contracts in FNO, and a relevant news about that particular script will be updated here. Okay. And how you can add to watch list, answer to your question, here it is. You can add to watch list option is available. The moment you click on it, if you have only one watch list, it will get added. But if you have multiple, because you can make 5 watch lists with us, and you can add as many as, you can add about that, and you can add about 30 stocks in each watch list, right? So if you have only one watch list, it will directly go and add this particular script. But if you have multiple, it will ask you in which watch list you want to add this particular script. The moment you select, it will give you all, it is successfully added, right? And from this page also, Arzu, I can place my buy, sell, or a DIY SIP order.
Sir, what is DIY SIP?
Good question. DIY SIP is a systematic investment plan in equity. So here you can select one stock or maybe a basket of stock that you want to invest in regularly. So the moment you set up DIY SIP, I can set up DIY SIP daily, weekly, or monthly. So if I'm selecting it DIY SIP for monthly, I want to buy HDFC bank shares. I want to buy 10 shares every month. Then automatically on the specified date, 10 shares of HDFC securities would be purchased every month.
Okay.
So this way I can accumulate equity of the particular script, right? All right. So this is the functionality of watchlist, Arzu. And even if you click on watchlist, you have buy option, you have sell option, you can check the market depth, and you can see the get quote option as well, right? All right. And now let me also show you mutual funds.
Sir, is it possible to purchase mutual fund through our mobile app?
Of course, yes.
Because nowadays mutual fund is the best selling product.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. See, mutual funds, of course, it's a best-selling product, Arzu, and you can buy just in few clicks with HDFC Securities. Okay. Let me just tell you a few things about mutual funds out here. Mutual funds can be purchased through two options. Either you can go as a lump sum investment, which is a one-time investment, or you can do a SIP, which is a systematic investment plan. Right, so that you can again set up monthly. Generally, the mutual fund SIPs, what people are aware of, are monthly SIPs or quarterly SIPs. And usually, for a regular saving, a disciplined approach towards saving, people go with monthly SIP, right? But let me tell you, after a lot of research and the customer demand, in collaboration with HDFC Asset Management Company, we have launched daily SIP. So in HDFC AMC schemes, we have a functionality of that we can put order of that particular scheme under daily SIP. So daily I can invest with minimum amount of 300 and maximum as per the customer's choice.
Okay.
They can select. If I selected 1000 rupees a day, so every day 1000 rupees SIP would be placed in that mutual fund, in that HDFC AMC.
That's fantastic, sir. It means the daily SIP is the best product for rupee cost averaging.
Yes. Best product for getting benefited out of rupee cost averaging is daily SIP. That's one if you are looking out for mutual funds, and equity SIP if you are looking out in equity side, right? So let me tell you how you can do it. Also, before that, let me also tell you there are so many schemes available in the market. Yes. With HDFC Securities, you can invest in all the mutual funds, schemes, everything just from one single account. You don't need to go anywhere else. So it's not like that only we provide HDFC schemes. Even if you want to buy ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, you can buy. You want to buy Birla Sun Life, you want to buy SBI Mutual Funds, you want to buy DSP BlackRock, whatever that you are looking out for, you just have to search it and you will get it here. So under single platform, all right? Now, also one more thing, there are more than 3000 schemes available in the market. So how to select? That becomes a question. Right? So for that, with the help of our research team, we have made a need-based analysis for our investors. Basis their requirement, they can select the scheme. Okay, let me show you how does that look like. Okay, so this is how it looks when you click on it. Right? So now it is asking me, should I go with high risk, high return? I should go with low risk, good return? Or I want to park my idle money for short term? Or I want to look for some tax saving schemes? So whatever would be my need, I can select, right? So for example, if I'm selecting high risk, high return, here I'm getting the option Kotak Arbitrage Fund is there, Reliance Arbitrage is there, ICICI Pru Banking and Financial Fund is there, right? And this is under lump sum. If you want to do SIP, you just click here. You can see SIP options as well. right? So first I will show you how to place a lump sum order. It's very simple. You went to the selection page, you selected the high risk high scheme, okay, and then you just, for example, if I want to go ICICI Prudential, because I can see 5-star rating also and NAV, and I can see the 3 years and 5 years return. So if I want to purchase, I just have to click on purchase. This is how the buy page looks like. I have done a purchase action. NSE is the exchange. Transaction is fresh because I'm placing for the first time. I will just need to enter the amount. Like I want to invest 50,000, 1 lakh, whatever may be the amount. I will just put in the amount and my facilitator code if it has been facilitated by any of our HDFC Securities employee. So we can put the code, place order, and your order is placed. So again, just 3 to 4 clicks, not more than that, right?
That's great, sir.
Now let me tell you how to place SIP order. Okay, so you just need to, in case we also have a detailed reckoners. Okay, so let me show you where you can get that. Okay, we have seen under research equity part. If you click under research mutual fund option, you can get our research reckoners. These are the ready reckoners. It's a PDF file which gives you information on all the schemes. So not only equity schemes, you get information about the debt schemes as well. You can get information about the hybrid schemes, and you can get information about the liquid mutual funds which are available for parking short-term money. And you also get information about the tax-saving ALSS schemes. So whether you want to do a lump sum or a SIP, both the reckoners are available in the respective place. Right? Now let me tell you how to place an SIP order. So for that, you just need to click on again mutual funds, create MF SIP. Again, need-based analysis have come. Now this time I'm looking for low risk and a good return. So I got to HDFC balanced fund over here, which is giving good returns in last 5 years. I can see that. So I just click on create SIP. Okay. The moment I click on create SIP, the SIP panel will open. Okay, wherein I just need to enter again the amount and what frequency that I'm looking out for. Okay, for how many I'm looking out for monthly SIP and what would be my period. Say for example, I'm looking out for 3 years because that's the ideal time, and when I want to start my investment. Okay, for investments, it is always suggested sooner the better, right, Arzu?
Right.
So on that basis, I can select, okay, on every first of the month I want, I can select every first or every second of the month, whatever the dates as per your requirement, you can select the date and then you can place order. Your SIP order would be placed simply in these few clicks. Here, little bit information you have to provide like monthly and what would be your tenure, and then place order. That's it, right? So that is how you can place your MF SIP order as well. Okay.
So can we apply IPO?
Yes, of course you can. All right, you can
Is
apply.
it?
I told you earlier also that I met with one of the customer, right? So definitely you can apply an IPO. He have booked profit through mobile application only, right? Let me show you where you can find the details. Again, you need to click on more option, and here you can see next just below mutual funds IPO. You click on IPO. The dashboard will open, and again the best part about IPO application with us is just in 3 clicks you can apply for IPO, right? We have a quick apply.
Okay.
Okay, the moment you click on quick apply,
What does that mean?
that means one lot by default selected at cutoff price.
Okay.
I just need to click, one click was to go to IPO, second click was quick apply, and my third click would be confirm, and my IPO order is placed.
That's great, sir.
Yes, it is. So just in quick simple steps you can apply an IPO. And since we are talking about IPO, I would like to inform to all our viewers that HDFC Asset Management Company is coming up with IPO. Okay, it is opening on 11th of July, 11 to 13 July. It will be there. Okay. So now let me also show you a few other information about our mobile application. Okay, we have video section available here. Okay, so you need to click on more, and here you can see videos option. Okay, under videos we have made 3 bifurcation: research, learn, and demo. In research, the webinars that are conducted from the research perspective and about the market uncertainty or about the budget meetings. All this that we conduct are uploaded here. So in case if our earlier webinars are missed out by our investors, they can definitely come to this section and they can view. All right. Then we have learn videos. In learn videos, we have put across a lot of learning videos for our various products and services. Okay, about DIY SIP, about derivatives, how to place orders, right? So all this information is available under the learning section. And then we have a demo. Under demo, here we give again a basic demo of our application, how to place the orders, how to check the profit and loss, okay, how to place DIY SIP order, all this information, right? So how to unlock your username, these details, these videos are there. So our customers, if they get time, they can just go through this video option, and definitely they can get benefited after seeing these videos. A lot of information would be clear to them from the video sections itself. All right. So now this was all about our HDFC Securities mobile trading app. Okay. So Arzu, through this mobile trading app, now I'm sure I have answered your question where I need to go. You need to go to mobile application, and your next question was where I can see which stocks I can invest. So I have showed you that you can do that through our research. We give our research calls over there. Okay. Now lastly, I would also like, you would be having the question in your mind, where should I track? Right. So we have a portfolio feature available. This is how the portfolio feature looks like. It's right here in the center. Okay. You can see my net worth. You can see my investment. You can see your realized profit and loss, your equity valuation, and your mutual fund valuation as well. Okay. Now if you want to see stock specific, if you want to see script wise details, this is an overview, your asset allocation in various assets. You just click on any of the equity if you want to see your equity valuation, and you get a detailed information about your portfolio. Okay, it will give you a overall view on that, and then it shows a pie chart which is a sectoral allocation. Okay, and then you can just see the stocks script wise, you can see the details, right? So from here also you can execute whether you want to buy, sell, or you want to check the code, right? This is how it appears. And if you want to see your mutual fund portfolio, you can see your mutual fund portfolio as well on the go. And you can see SBI small cap, SBI small mid cap fund. You can see HDFC top 200. It's giving amazing returns. SBI small cap. So of course you can start your investment, start tracking, see your portfolio on the go. Right, Arzu?
Right, sir. Mobile app is the best platform to place your order. It's very easy and very easy to track all your investments.
Exactly. So now let me tell you, those who don't have mobile application, okay, those who do not have this mobile application, just for your information, we do have our website as well. Okay, so now let me take you through our website and show you what are the features available on our website and the login portal as well. Okay. So this is how you just need to type in www.hdfcsec.com. The moment you type, this is how the website looks like. Okay, this is a pre-logged in page. Here, this is a banner section where you can see the latest updates and the promotions that we put across, whether it may be regarding any specific product, regarding IPOs, or whatsoever may be the information. So the latest information has been updated in this section, in this piece. Right. So here right now you can see it has been displayed about this webinar itself, right? And under the markets tab, you can get all relevant market information that you are looking out for. Okay, you have a research option and you have products. Now let me also tell you to all our investors that HDFC Securities account that you hold, it's a one-stop solution for all your financial needs. Let me show you the products that we have with us. Equity is just one product. Mutual funds, derivatives, under fixed income, corporate fixed deposit, NCDs, bonds, for capital gain from the sale of house property, 54 EC exclusive bonds. We have life insurance, Mediclaim, general insurance, that also you can take from this platform. NPS, which is a highly demanded product nowadays because it offers additional 50,000 tax benefit. So you can get subscribed for NPS with HDFC Securities, right? Loan products, LAS, Okay, home loan, auto loan, personal loan, education loan, these are the traditional loans available. Definitely we do have. But apart from that, there is something called as LAS. Have you heard about LAS before?
Never, sir. What
LAS
is it?
is, let me tell you, LAS is loan against security. So if you have made up, you have done your investments with us, and over a period of time, say for example, you have made your portfolio, okay. Now, at any given point of time, if you are in need of some funds, either you will sell off your portfolio or you take a personal loan. So I would suggest not to do both. You can simply go with loan against security. So in this, out of your portfolio, your securities which you're holding, on that you will get the loan. So you're not paying so much high interest. You're not even disturbing your existing portfolio, and just by on your portfolio you are getting a loan against security, right? So this functionality is there with us, okay. And trading platforms which we already discussed, we have also launched voice enabled investment option on Google Assistants, right? And few other products like e-tax. You can file tax also with HDFC Securities. You can do e-will with HDFC Securities. So these are some again products. You can also get in touch with your relationship manager if you want to know more about our products and services, right? So now let me show you how to log in. You just have to click on this login option. The moment you click on login, this is how the login page appears. So from here also, in case if you have forgotten your username or you have forgotten your password, you can recover that from this section itself. Okay. So you just need to enter your login credential. Now the moment you enter the details, just you need to click on login now. Now this is how the home page looks like. You get a quick buy panel over here. So in case if you're logging in for making some purchase, you can just select the exchange, select the instrument, and just select the script name and enter the quantity, the price, and place order. Your buy order would be placed within just few quick clicks. Now this is how the home screen looks like. This is a watch list section where you can, this watch list is also synced with mobile application. Arzu, let me inform, so that even if you're looking at the mobile application, you will see the same thing. Even if you're looking at this logged in website portal which we call mPowered, you can get the same watch list. And wherever you see this red minus sign, it's a sell option. Wherever you see a plus sign, it's a buy option, right? Like this. And below the watch list, you can see these are the widgets. If you do not wish any, you can close, and whatever you wish to add, you can add, right? So this is how it happens. And say for example, if you want to switch any of them, like you want this section to be here, you can just drag and drop, and you can rearrange the widgets as per your requirement. Okay. Purchase, this is a quick buy panel and a quick sell panel available. You can put your quick buy and sell from here, or you can buy and sell from your watch list. All right. And you can go here and you can make your purchases. Okay. Here you can see research, that I have already told you that we come up with pick of the week, fundamental calls, technical calls, trading ideas, and DIY SIP ideas. So you can do all these things from here also. And here you can also check the research report that has been given for a particular pick of the week. So you can see here, as we have checked in mobile app Bajaj Auto, you can see the same details are here. And also you can click on this PDF icon if you want to open your research report, right? And the moment you click on this buy option, quick buy panel will open. Stock details, exchange details are auto populated. I just have to enter my quantity and price and place order would be placed. Okay. For mutual funds, again, you can see MF lump sum Rakner or a SIP Rakner. It is available here under the research category. You want to place order, you can place order directly, right? Just need to click on purchase, enter the details here, which asset, if you want to know a specific AMC that you are looking out for, so you can click on purchase, and you can see these are all the list of AMCs that we have empanelment with. You can select any of them and you can start your investment seamlessly with us. All right. Under the reports and statement section, here you get your contract notes, your financial, your trade details, your order log, your financial ledgers. Okay. And here we have IPO section. From here also you can apply on IPO. You just click on it. Whatever the current IPOs are there, you will be able to see the information. You just need to click on apply and follow the instructions. Your orders would be placed. Your fixed income products that we discussed few minutes back, like corporate FD, NCD bonds, that can be applied from here. And also you can invest in gold ETF as well as index ETF from this section of other products. Okay. Now Arzu, let me also inform you that if you want to change some of your details, you can just click on this option, that's account setting. From here you can change your basic KYC details, like if you want to update your mobile number or if you want to update your email ID, you can do that from this section. Okay.
So what is portfolio clinic?
Good question. I was about to come to that. See, as we normally go to doctor, so to do our health checkup, so that we can stay fit. So it is same. Similarly, it is required for our portfolio also. So portfolio clinic is nothing but a health checkup of your existing portfolio. Okay. That has been divided into 3 sections. All right. Let me explain you, and I will show that as well to you. Okay. So in that, what happens? It is basically to restructure or to construct your portfolio in a much better way, that you hold the best of the best stocks available, okay, and you clear the junk. Okay, that is what is portfolio clinic all about. Okay, so in that we give you recommendations on your existing holding that you hold, whether to accumulate, to sell or buy. Okay, or in case if something is not up to the mark, we give you an alternative suggestion for that, like in the similar or a same industry. Okay, and the third section is value pick, wherein based on your overall portfolio, these options are like, these scripts would be good to buy. Okay, let me show you how does that look like. Okay, for that you need to click on your portfolio option, and the last option you can see portfolio clinic. The moment you click on the portfolio clinic, as you will be doing it for the first time, your risk profiler will get open, which will ask you few basic questions. So you just need to answer like, what will be your age, what is your investment goal, that would be aggressive, conservative, right, or moderate, what would be your investment choices. You just need to answer them and submit them, and then this section will get open, and you will see here you can now also check latest feature portfolio clinic. So you have to do this once. Okay, post that you can directly get access to portfolio clinic as well. Okay, so this is how the portfolio clinic look like. So in this portfolio, you can see there are few scripts which are recommended by our research team. So you can see here the HSL recommendation. Bajaj Auto, it is asking to accumulate more, so you can accumulate. For Harita, again it is asking for accumulate, and even for Manappuram Finance, right? Now the second thing would be alternative pick for your portfolio. Here you can see for Wipro, it is giving an alternative of HCL Technologies, which is having a definite target price, which is having a potential upside and a research report as well, right? So in this way you can do that. For say for IndusInd Bank, it is asking me, I have a better view that our research says we have a better view that you can go with South Indian Bank, which is entry price is 31.55, target would be 41%, and you know, the research date and whatever is the potential upside available and its research report. So in this way, I can construct my portfolio in a much better way and clean the junk, right? And last but not the least, that's our value picks. Based on your portfolio, these are good to have scripts in your portfolio. So you can give it a second thought. If you want to purchase, you can, to maximize your portfolio, you can buy value picks from here as well. All right. And then portfolio section, the way we have checked up in our mobile application, similarly, you can see the portfolio summary here as well. This is the overview about your portfolio. Okay, this is your product wise, how much you have invested. Okay, in equity, the sectoral allocation. Here, And here you can see product wise. Here in equity it is 45%, in mutual fund 52%, 0.66, and in fixed income 1.6%. Right. Also, you can check your capital gain statement and profit and loss statement with this application. And not only you can check, you can download that in Excel, and which will be definitely useful for your at the time of return filing. So there are multiple advantages, Arzu. What I would say that you should be using, why you should be using HDFC Securities mobile application or maybe a website portal, right? Both of them have their own specific advantages. However, with mobile application, it is more handy. It is more user friendly. It is on the go. So definitely that is the reason, we can seamlessly transact. And for any specific detailed information that we are looking out for, we can always come to our website. So both the support we have given to our viewers, to our customers, right? So that's all for today. I would like to say to all our viewers that we have covered the basics of investment and how to use the various platforms, that mobile application as well as our trading application, that's a web-based application, mPowered. Okay, so now we are open for question and answers. In case if any of our customers, our viewers have any questions, they can please ask us the question from the below section on the webinar page, right?
There's one question, sir. What is EMI calculator?
Okay, that's a very good question. Okay, I just missed out on that. Let me show you on our website. Now let me show you how does it look like. Okay, we have markets, research and products option. The third option is personal finance. Okay, so if you click on personal finance, here we have made this your goal based achievement. So you would definitely have some of the financial goals, whether you are planning for retirement. We have, that is one financial goal, right? We have if you're planning to buy a home, or planning to go for a travel, or maybe child's education or marriage. So these are all various financial goals, Arju, that will come as and when required, right? So we have a tool which will help you to achieve those. So you click on it, it will ask you to enter a few basic information, and then it will tell you that what would be the corpus that you will be able to create with that sort of investment which you have selected. So if you are okay with it, you can just click on proceed, and it will then show you what will be your monthly investment amount for that, and which are the options available as what to buy. That answer will be clarified. So let me show you how. Here, so here it is. Let me just select the age. If I'm planning my retirement, when I'm planning to get retired, right? And how much money do you have saved for this retirement? Let me just take it 0. Okay, and here let me tell you, I need to enter how much money I can save for this purpose. So let me just take, if I'm able to save 20,000 a month for this particular purpose, and I would like to go aggressive. Okay, the moment I click submit, this is what the corpus that I will get at my retirement time. Looks good?
Yes.
Right. So now if this is enough for me, I can click on proceed. If it is not enough, I can increase my 20 to 30,000, then the figures would be completely different here, right? The moment I click on proceed, it is giving me alternative that what to buy. So I can go with these schemes, an SIP of 20,000.
That's great, sir.
Yes. So this was about retirement. Now the question which was asked about, you're asking EMI calculator.
Right.
It is the fantastic tool. Okay. EMI calculator is a tool which help you to recover your interest. Okay. Let me show you how. So here, say for example, if you have taken a loan of 5 lakh rupees. Okay. Let's take an example that you have taken that for maybe 10% for 5 years. So if this is a scenario, you will end up paying 6,37,440 rupees. Your EMI would be 10,624 for next 5 years, and the interest amount that you are paying is 1,37,440. Right? So have you given a thought in this way, Arzu? Right? Now this calculator will help me to recover my 1,37,000. So for that, I just need to click here.
Recover your interest.
Recover your interest. And then it will quickly tell me that all you need to do is just start an SIP of 1518 a month.
Okay.
for 5 years. After 5 years, you will end up paying 6,37,440. But when you redeem this SIP, it will recover your interest.
Amazing, sir. Amazing.
Right. So that's how our EMI calculator works. Okay.
Okay. The next question is, what if I forgot my username?
That I have already discussed, Arzu. I can tell you again. If you have forgotten your username, okay, you just have to click on forgot user ID. Okay. You just have to click on forgot username. It is asking you to enter your PAN number and date of birth. Enter and submit, and you will be able to get your username.
Okay.
So, is there any questions that we are getting?
How to place order in DIY SIP?
DIY SIP, sure. I'll tell you that. Okay. DIY SIP order placement is very simple. Okay. All you have to do is just, it's very simple. You can create the basket as well for that. Okay. You just have to click on start DIY SIP.
Okay.
And even in DIY SIP, if you are unsure like what to do, you can just select the value picks from here. So for DIY SIP also, we are providing the recommendation. Okay. So here it is asking me to enter the basket name. So I can enter the basket name, I can put the facilitator code, or how I want to start my SIP, whether I want to do it by amount or I want to do it by quantity, I can select that. Okay, so if I want to do it by quantity, what will be my schedule date? I want on every 5th it should happen, whether monthly, fortnightly, weekly or daily. So all the options are there. So I think I should go every day. If I select every day, for how long? I want to do it for 3 years. Okay. Now here I can either put one script, I need to select exchange. I can either put one stock and I place order, or I can put 10 stocks. So this is what I can create a basket. When mutual fund SIP fund manager decides, here it's do it yourself. That is why the name is do it yourself SIP. Right, Arjun?
Yeah.
So here we are taking one last question. Okay. Can I change my username?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, you can. If you want to change your username, you can do that. Let me show you where. For that, you just need to click this option of setting. Okay. Change login ID. So the moment you click on change login ID, once you can change your login ID. Once for lifetime, you can change your HDFC Securities mobile user ID. You can change that.
Okay.
All right. So that's it for now. I thank all my viewers for watching this webinar. I request them that please download this mobile application and start your investment seamlessly. And this was a basic webinar about how to place orders. Soon we would be coming up with some more webinars on advanced level. Do stay tuned. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.